Know about the cooking of wonderful cooker cake using some materials which are easily available at home, like your sugar, refined oil. Your cooker is only needed for this. Then you can use your flour, wheat flour, then milk powder, or if milk powder is not available, you can use milk. And utilizing all these materials which are easily available at home, plus baking powder only you'll have to get from outside, you can make easily your almond chocolate cake. And for chocolate you can use your chocolates which you eat, or you can use cocoa powder. See, it's a birthday cake which is going to be baked by me. Let's see how will be the results. For making a cooker cake, we have taken all these materials. You can see this is the white flour that I have taken almost up to 1 bowl, and similar amount we have taken the white sugar, and this is milk taken a small bowl, and this is the milk powder which I have taken here. Oil is taken for applying on this vessel, that is the baking vessel, and here I have put the butter paper and oil I have applied on the sides. Then I have taken baking powder which I will take up to half teaspoonful, and this is the cocoa powder which I will take about 1 big teaspoonful. I can take the cocoa powder. So let's see how we are going to make the cooker cake, that is chocolate cooker cake, yummy chocolate cooker cake, which we can make today easily. Within half an hour time it will be ready. So stay tuned to the channel, be a part of the channel, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends if you like this video. So we will cut the butter paper in the shape of the bottom of the container and apply oil on it. Then take this white flour in this container, that is I have taken this 1 bowl of white flour. Then you have to add this baking powder to it and mix it properly. This baking powder I have taken up to 1 teaspoonful, and I am mixing it with the white flour like this thoroughly. You have to mix it with the white flour. Now we can add to it sugar, which I have taken up to about the same amount as my white flour. So I will add the sugar to it and I will mix it properly. So you can mix the sugar with the white flour and the baking powder thoroughly like this, and then we will add to it this milk powder which I have taken here about 1 big teaspoonful, or you can say it's 1 big tablespoonful. I have taken this milk powder and I am mixing that with this white flour mix. Now I'll mix it thoroughly. Actually the contents have to be mixed thoroughly and there should be no lump formation in this mixture. Now next I will add cocoa powder to it. I have taken about 1 big teaspoonful cocoa powder, as you can see here, and I am mixing it to this mixture, and this also I will add thoroughly with the mix, and then I have to add milk to it so as to loosen the contents. Like this dry contents we cannot bake or we cannot cook it, so I have to loosen the contents and make it liquid So I have taken one small bowl full of milk. So I am adding this milk, and you can mix it and see like how it is mixing, and then you can add more milk to it. So milk you can add as per your requirement. Your batter should be loose enough. That is your idea of making the cake. If the batter is very hard, the cake will not be baked properly. So I have to add more milk to it, as you see here. And if it doesn't become a loose batter, so I will have to add more milk to it. I think it seems to be that I need more milk. So you can take one big cup full of milk so as to make the batter loose. So let me add more milk to this batter. I have taken one more cup of milk here, or bowl of milk you can say, and I am adding this also so that the batter becomes loose and it has to be baked properly. So for that we will mix it thoroughly like this. You have to mix the batter and loosen it thoroughly. There should not be any lump formed in this batter, otherwise baking will not occur properly. So you have to mix the contents properly, and in this mixture we can add, if we want, we can add little bit amount of refined oil also. Actually I am avoiding adding of refined oil so that it becomes less fatty. So let me see, if I need refined oil, I can add about 1 tablespoon of refined oil to this batter. See, this is the batter which I have obtained by mixing the contents together. Now to this I can add 1 tablespoon of this oil so as to make it good and soft. So I am adding 1 tablespoonful of this refined oil. As you can see, I am not adding much refined oil because I want it to be a healthy cake. Now if you want more brown color of this cake, so you can add to it coffee powder or Bournvita or whatever is available in your house, that can be added to it. Even more chocolate or cocoa powder can be added. Chocolate pieces can be added to it, and you have to thoroughly mix them together. You can take a tablespoon or you can mix them together with help of a hand blender. I prefer using this spoon only because it allows me to mix the contents. You see, these white contents of flour which are there inside, they all should be mixed with this. Otherwise what will happen? The baking will not happen properly. You have to mix every content thoroughly and properly. As I wish to have a more brown color to this cake, so what I'll do, I'll add about 1 small teaspoonful of, this is coffee powder which I am adding to it so as to get a good color to my cake. So you see, it's a very natural cake which is being made here, which is very healthy. It does not have any artificial ingredients or artificial colors in it. So like this you can thoroughly mix the contents, and the batter should become like this, of flowing consistency. Otherwise the cake will become very hard. Mix them thoroughly like it's being done here, and make a consistency like this, and after that you can easily cook it in your pressure cooker at a low flame or using a heater. Like this you can cook it with sand at the bottom. So I'll show you how I am keeping it. And make your delicious Christmas cake at home without an oven and without using any refined flour. Of the cooker up to only about 1 inch sand is added to this. So you can add the sand as per your requirement. Like if you want the cake to be cooked very fast, then you can add little amount of sand. But if you want to keep it for longer time and to be cooked slowly, then more amount of sand is needed. As per my experience, I have found out this. So as it's a cooker cake being made here, so I am showing you how to make it by using a pressure cooker and this sand inside it. Sand is put. Instead of sand, you can also use salt in this. Now this is the top of the cooker, that is the cooker lid we are using, and we are not putting the whistle also we will not put, and we will not put the rubber which is there, rubber gasket we will not put in this cap of the cooker. So it will be cooked under heat, under pressure, you can say. Pressure we are not putting, but it will be cooked in heat only, because no water is being used here, only sand or salt is used here. Add some almonds from top to give it some good flavor, to improve your memory and to decorate your cake. You can make a flower like this out of almonds. And now let's put it inside this almond chocolate cake. We are keeping it inside the cooker now. So we have kept the almond chocolate cake, which is our Christmas cake today, inside a cooker with sand in it, and we will be keeping it on our heater at low flame, and the cooker has to be covered without using any gasket and rubber on it. You can see like this. I am using a Prestige cooker and I am keeping it on a heater so that it remains at a low flame. And you have to keep it like this for about 40 minutes. In between you can check if there is any smell coming, and then your cake will be ready to eat and serve. I'll keep it for about 15 minutes and then I will check whether cooking has occurred or not properly, and let's see how much time it takes for getting cooked. We will open our cooker and see how it has got baked in about 15 to 20 minutes time. Insert it in between the cake in the central region. If it is solid material which is coming and nothing is sticking to the knife, then the cake is ready. Here it seems that this cake needs more cooking. So 5 more minutes we will keep it like this. Then I think it will get cooked.